So yun guys, kukunin natin yung cover ng pool. Open na po natin yung pool. Sama po natin si tatay, si Rish, and si Papa. This is Rish. Say hi, Rish.
Hi!
Hi! So as you can see, makalat yung backyard namin. Move namin yung mga stuff namin dito kasi may backsplash yun na tubig dito mamaya. So that's why we gotta move it. You guys can see it. So as you can see, kapag may pool kayo, there's a lot of things going on. Hindi lang chemicals yung kailangan nyo para matreat yung tubig, para safer yung nyo pag naligo kayo. Merong mga machines involved, switch waters involved sa machine. So nakikita nyo, meron tayong filter niyan para sa pool talaga. Inaayos ni Papa. See? Ito yung filter ng pool natin. Sorry guys sa makalat na storage, but this is the pool. This is the filter ng pool. And then ito yung temperature. Pwede nyo i-change yung temperature ng tubig. Pangpainit o pangpalamig, So as you can see, nilalagyan ni Papa ng tubig yung filter. Kasi throughout months, hindi ginagamit. So filter needs an extra water para para gumana ulit. So yun guys, pinapalaki niya yung pool guys. Nilalagyan niya ng hangin yung pool. Nakita niyo naman. What are you doing? What is that? Say hi. So yeah guys, kita mo si tatay, minumove niya yung mga gamit doon. Ayun na si Mama Happy. Hi Mama Happy, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Yeah. So yeah guys, as you can see, nakikita niyo yung backyard namin, storage namin, makalat because, throughout the months na pag winter season, mahirap mag-ayos ng mga gamit, lalo na kapag ang kakapal ng mga snow. So, you usually stock yung mga kailangan mo for summer, organize it, and then pagdating na ng summer sa tamang panahon, doon na yung paglinis ng mga backyard and storage nyo. So this is what are we doing right now. Nililinisan namin yung pool and at the same time nililinisan namin yung backyard. You guys will see the transformation, hopefully today or kung hindi man, papakita ko yung transition na proper na yung like organized na yung backyard namin and then yung storage namin. So, yeah. Rishi, show it to the camera, see? Lilinisan niya daw yung pool, guys, gamit yung sponge. Ayan, lumapit na siya. Ayan, tinignan niya. Careful. See? You see me? So, what are you gonna do with the sponge? So ngayon guys, chine-check namin yung butas ng filter kung hinihigop ba yung tubig. That means kapag hinihigop na yung tubig, yun na yung sign na gumagana na yung filter, like pumapasok na yung tubig sa loob ng filter, underground, inside the storage, tapos pinifilter niya na yung tubig. So ngayon chine-check namin yung filter kung gumagana ba o hindi. So kung hindi hinihigop yung tubig, hindi pa naka-on, that's a sign na gumagana na yung filter, you know. And on that other side too, kung nakikita nyo doon, that means it's working now. Ngayon, hinihigop niya na yan ngayon. Hinihigop tapos binabalik ulit, you know. You know, if you guys know what how's the filter, you know, works. So usually comes and goes. Papasok sa filter, lilinisin yung tubig, ititreat, you know, lalasain yung dumi ng tubig tapos ilalabas yung malinis na tubig. So it usually goes round and round, you know. Kanya naman si Rishi, nag-i-enjoy. Nililinisan yung pool. See? Kita niyo yan? Oh, you're cleaning your bike? Okay. Okay. Kita niyo yan, guys? Sipag yun, no? Sheesh!
Kamay daw tayo.
So, kung tatanungin nyo, kung ilalagay nyo yung kamay nyo doon, may lumot ba o wala? Sa side, wala namang lumot. And then, kapag nilagay nyo, usually, you know, kung makita nyo kasi green, malansa. So, wala pong amoy. Literal na lumot lang po, you know. So, as you can see, guys, nakikita nyo na yung backflash. Yan yung maduming tubig galing sa filter. Nilalabas yun na. Yan po yan. Kaya po minove namin yung mga gamit doon na suba sa gabal. Tignan nyo yung bola ko, basa na. The water! Kung nakikita nyo doon sa video na nilalagyan ni Papa ng tubig yung filter gamit tong hose, you know, yan yung reload ng bago na malinis na tubig doon sa filter. So, yeah. Ayun, tignan nyo guys. As you can see guys, sobrang init ngayon. Talagang yung weather ngayon, maganda mag-swimming. So, you know what I'm saying? Ayan o. Any shout out tayo?
Oh, shout out sa lahat. Nabukas kami ng swimming pool ngayon.
Yes sir.
Yung tay?
Ayan guys, ginagasolinahan niya yung bike niya. Wala na. Full tank na guys. Full tank. Now where you're going, it's full tank. Oh, chinecheck niya po, oh. Sino full tank talaga, guys. Yan, oh. Kaso may leak. May leak yung yung tangke niya. Yeah. Chinecheck pa eh, no? Kala mo talaga eh. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Ang galing din eh, no? Okay guys, checking sila sa filter, you know. They make sure that, you know, it works properly. As you can see guys, ito naman yung filter sa mga maduduming, you know, like those one. Yung may mga plastic, may mga dahon. So usually iikot yung tubig dyan. You know, by the filter, pinupush yan. And then hihigupin dito. Tapos papasok yung mga dumi. And magsastock yung dumi dito. As you can may pansala siya, you know. Kinukuha niya yung dumi. And then, kung tatanungin niyo kung ano yung white na to, is solid chlorine. You know. So, lalagyan pa natin ng powdered chlorine and then solid chlorine dito sa filter na to. You know. So, pasok lang natin dyan, and then nakikita nyo may rotation siya. That means na hinihigop niya yung tubig dito, and then ibabalik din naman eventually. sa pool. So, hihigupin niya yan yung mga madudumi dyan. Tingnan mo, pumapasok yung tubig. See? Pumapasok yung dumi dyan. Tapos, magsastock dun sa filter na ito. Okay, I don't know what it's called, but, you know. And then, ito yung cover niya. So, yeah. That's how it works. Ngayon, as you can see guys, everything, sa filter, everything works properly now. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 filters na para sa tubig and para sa mga debris. I don't know what is called. Ng mga particles, you know. Now, they said that now it's working. Everything's fine now. Now we gotta proceed to chemical stage. So, ginagamit yung drill and then yung mixer. Mas mabilis matunaw yung chemical. Ayan guys. Yan yung liquid algae. Binuhusan na yung chemical. So, I don't know what, you know, yung mga details, yung mga purposes ng chemicals, you know. Hindi pa ako nag-research doon or anything. Hindi pa ako hindi ko pa pinag-aaralan yung mga chemicals, no. But, this is the process kung paano i-treat yung tubig, you know. Mix lang si tatay. Kasi guys, kung nakikita nyo, ganito kakapal yung chlorine. Dapat maging solid liquid siya na para maging same as texture ng tubig. Palit battery po tayo guys. Nalobat yung isang battery ng drill. So, reload na. Kasado na. Yes sir. Say hi everybody. Kita nyo guys, goods na yung mix. Ngayon, binubuhos na yung chlorine. You know? Kakalat-kalat na yun ni tatay. And then, chlorine will do its work. You know? So, kung tatanungin nyo guys kung gaano kalalim tong pool na to, is 3 feet going downhill dito. I think like right here. And then going down 10 feet. So, dyan na area, 10 feet na po yan dyan, guys. Yeah. So, yun, guys. Kumakalat na. As you can see, kumakalat na yung chlorine. You know? Then, nag-e-enjoy yung dalawa doon nanonood. You know? Then, yun. Kumuha ulit si tatay ng tubig doon sa pool. Maglalagay siya ulit ng chlorine. So, yeah. So yeah guys, kahit pa paano, nakikita nyo yung process ng kung paano mag-treat ng pool, paano mag-open, and hopefully sa next ko na pakapakita din namin kung paano namin i-close yung pool. So, here, wash my hands. Make sure aim that way. So yun guys, second round ng chlorine. As you can see. Yes sir. Yun guys, ibabalik na yung water filter cups na tinanggal kanina ni Papa. You know. And then for third round, chlorine, you know. Ito talaga yung specialty ng pool, you know. Kumbaga kapag may niluluto ka, meron kang sangkap na pangpaano talaga, you know. Pampalasa talaga, you know. So ito yung pampalasa ng pool, as you can see. Yes sir. Yes, sir. Yan guys, susubukan ni Romuel mag-mix. Which is good. Good experience po yan. This empty. Yun, nabuhos na yung third round ng chlorine guys, and pizza muna tayo. Where you going? You want pizza? Okay. Let me open the door. No? So nabuhos na yung third round. As you can see, nakita yung tubig, parang milk na. Kanina sobrang green, ngayon it turns white. A little bit, you know. Parang Milky Way. You know, yun na yung effect ng chemicals na binuhos namin. It takes 3 days bago maligo. You know, and it depends kung clear na ba talaga yung tubig. Makikita mo na din eh. You can see it to your own eyes. Kapag nakikita mo na yung underneath ng floor, na clean na clear na yung tubig, that means it's good. We don't recommend na maligo ka na kakabuhos lang ng chemical and then there's chemical reaction going. It takes 3 days, you know, para ma-complete yung process ng chemical, you know, as you can see. Oh yeah. And then, yung nakikita nyo, nilulubog namin yung kamay namin kahit may chemical reaction na. I mean, it's okay. You know, tapos huhugasan din naman namin yun agad. Hindi namin binababad yung kamay namin o yung katawan mo doon na maliligo ka talaga. So, yeah. You see that? It means it's a good sign. Filter is working properly. This is what we want to see. Yep. There you go. There you go. Now, nakikita nyo yung tubig. Nakikita nyo yung tubig ng reaction. Nagbubuga dito yung filter. And then, bubuga dito yung filter. So, yung rotation ng tubig paikot. And then, habang umiikot yung tubig, pumapasok yung ano dito, yung mga particles. And then, sasalain niya na ngayon. So, yeah.
Hi, kamusta Philippines? Kamusta ang mga parente ko ba?
Yeah, no?
Ano, katubis? I don't, raro ka. Lubis ka mo ni nanay mo. Live na yun. Sila niya mama, dali, nang nabila ni Papa alang swimming pool. Dali, maligo ako, dali, nagdala ko toothpaste ko.
Tama ka na dyan, nag-tupit lang ang magla. Kamu, ay doon bra-bra, ay konti-konti.
Mayari mo,
As you can see, marami ng chemicals, you know, na nilalagay doon. I don't really have the, you know, the knowledge or idea yung certain chemicals na binubuhos namin kasi marami talaga. It's usually, kumukuha kami ng sample and pupunta kami sa specific store and then itetest nila yun. Tapos, maglilista sila kung anong kailangan para matreat yung tubig and then we gonna buy that. So, ganun yung process nun. But I don't really, you know a lot of things about these chemicals, you know. I don't have that knowledge, but we only seek advice. We only seek information that we need so that we treat our you know, pool. Nag-enjoy na sila guys. Nakita mo naman. So yun guys, tutupain na namin yung cover. I don't know. Package delivery. Complete package. So yan guys, itong PH pala na to. Pag nag-clear na yung tubig. Pag nag-clear na to guys, pag goods na yung process nito, now we gotta pour that down. So yeah, that's it. That's it for now, you know. So yeah guys, yun yung process ng mga chemicals pag open ng pool. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. As of now, waiting lang tayo sa chemical reaction then sa filter, you know, for 3 days. Then hopefully in 3 days makikita natin yung resulta. Hope you guys have an idea kung ano yung mga process kapag may pool kayo. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yes sir.